Wonderful, 34 people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So we may have a few more people joining us. So to start with, we're just going to warm up a bit, make sure that our postures are in place. So we're sitting upright. You know what to do. People are coming in. And I'm going to mute everyone now, just in case, so we don't have any noises. Yeah, people are still coming in. So you know what to do? Sit upright, check your shoulders, make sure they're relaxed, check your face, make sure it's relaxed. I don't know if you've been singing all the time through this Christmas, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year, Old New Year, whatever break. I kind of have, so hope you have been singing too. And we will start with just relaxing our face, taking a breath into our lower rib cage here. And breathing out, feeling how our voice is today, feeling how our breath is today. Inhale and go out with an ah. Breathe out with an ah, any pitch, relaxing your face. Let's go. Ah. Was somewhere between C and B, somewhere in the middle. Let's do this one together. Ah, nice and relaxed. Now really relax your face and let's go for a proper ah, open ah, yeah, opening, waking up our face. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. So, keep singing. I'm still admitting people to this room. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, 1 second. I need to make sure everyone who wants to come in is here. Finally, participants, no, admit all, yes, 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 yes. I'm going to show you. No, I can't do it because people are still coming in. Let's do a bit more warm up. So you're still here, and let's give a bit more koyach to our voices, a bit more power now. So add volume when you're ready. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. We have 44 people here. I might have to go between warming up and admitting people. So excuse me for the first 5 minutes. We're going into a niggun, a wordless tune, which some of you know, and we'll warm up, keep warming up with that wordless tune. We will sing it slightly lower than what you see in the music, and you can just follow my voice if you don't read music. This one is easy. I lie, lie, la 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 la. I lie, lie, la 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 la. I lie, lie, la 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 la. Okay, together. Lie, 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 la 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 la. I lie, lie, la 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 la. I lie, lie, la 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 la. One more time. Lie, 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 la 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 la. Lie, 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 la 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 la. Let's see if we can do it without looking at the music. Okay? I lie lie la 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 lie 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 la 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 lie 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 la 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 lie lie same thing la 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 lie 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 la 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 I lie lie la 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 going up I lie lie la 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 I lie lie la 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 easy right I lie lie la 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 lie 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 la 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 lie la 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 I think I'm right. A lot of us know something else, a very, very similar tune to this one. Let's just check. That's the third section here. It says broadly. La 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 la. That's it. La 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 la. Going up, la 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 la. One more time, this bit. La 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 la. Right, I think now I'm over the stress of admitting people as I'm playing and singing with you. So go slightly higher. We'll do the whole tune from the beginning. Lie, 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 la 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 lie, 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 la 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 lie, 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 la 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 lie, la la lie, la la lie, 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 la 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 lie, 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 la 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 lie, 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 la 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 lie, la lie, la la lie, lie, going high, sorry, die, die. Let's repeat this section. Okay, here is what we're going to do next. We will sing it one more time. A bit higher. I hope I know it. If not, never mind. I'll be singing some variations on that tune. You can follow me or invent your own tune. The main thing is to relax, get into the singing, get into the Jewish mode. Skip some high bits, skip low bits, sing them an octave higher. Full freedom here, okay? section. La 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 la. Okay. Now, welcome. I hope everyone is here. I kept admitting people.
Nice to
51.
meet you.
Hello, hello, hi. So, Marsha, nice to see you. We have an international community here again. Yeah?
We are
I just see you,
51.
not
I know, I know, I
together.
know. So, you know what? I don't see anyone chatting. I wonder if it's just you being really obedient and formal here, or is it something not working? It's strange. I don't see. Usually, you just go chat, 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 chat. Try putting something in. Yeah. Okay. All right. Stop. 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 Okay. Now, let me see if we have any new people here. Can we have your hands up? I have 3 pages of faces here. New people. Wow. Welcome. 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 That's amazing. Right. What you should know about these sessions that they're informal and we just have fun. Oh, we cry together, we explore songs together. I never follow the tunes correctly, so forgive me. There may be mistakes, there may be all sorts of things, but the main thing is to have fun and to explore this material, which we're going to do today. I brought you a song which I know the tune. I only properly read the text of this song when I was preparing for this session. Let's make sure that everyone is muted, all right? Let's go crazy. Yeah. So I'm muting you and I'm closing your chat, okay? I won't see what you're saying. If you really need to say something, please switch yourself on and just talk to me between the songs, okay? So this song is an interesting animal because it seems like the roots are in Russia and certainly in former Soviet Union. And what we also know is that it's post-Second World War song. And that's about it. The melody is a general kind of generic tango tune, and the text is quite deep and quite, dark, I would say, but also it has a ray of hope. Maybe. We may not go through all the 3 verses today, but we will look at the song. I learned it from Arkady Gendler, who was one of our big sources for Yiddish Song. He lived 84 or 85 years. He lived a long life, and at the end of his life, we kind of grabbed him as Yiddish song revivalists, and he toured the world, teaching his songs and performing, and teaching us all, and this was one of the songs. Right? I'm going to show you the tune. It'll be right in front of you. We will go through the melody together, and then we will go through text of the first verse, maybe. So, and by the way, for new people, this is usually what happens. I show this on the screen, but if you want to print anything up, it usually appears on my website on that page a couple of hours at least before the session. This song has quite a big range, and for some of us, it may be too high. On the top note there is a high E flat, I think. Yeah, here, E flat. So I'm putting it a semitone lower. They may be a bit, for some of you that's high, and I know that Mari, and for some sopranos it may be a bit too low, but let's compromise, okay? I'll sing you a couple of phrases, then we sing them together. Listen. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let's do this first line together. La 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 la. La 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 la. Listen, next one. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah, you know where it's going. It's very kind of, you expect it to go that way. So we're going from the second line. Da 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 da. Yeah, that's your note. Second line. Let's go. La 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 la. Let's sing the first 2 lines. Try to remember them kind of by heart as freely as you can. Let's go. And la la. la 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 la. Let's see what happens next. La 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 la. The beginning is the same. La 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 la. Now listen, this is changing. La 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 la. So let's sing the second ending. Da 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 da. Yeah. So you see it in text von alle. Yeah, it's just 3 notes on the second one before last line here. Da 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 da. Okay, let's go together. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Okay, from the beginning. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Here, people are still arriving. Can you imagine? Stop here. Can I just see a show of hands, those who don't read music at all, can't follow if it goes up or down? Do we have anyone who only relies on learning by ear? Okay, I see one. And people who don't read music but they can follow more or less when I sing it. Yeah, we have these. Yeah, good. So I hope this tune is not too tricky. I usually choose tunes that are okay to learn by heart, by ear, but also for those who really read music, it may be a bit too slow, but I guess just enjoy the style, enjoy singing the tune. We are not going to go into chorus right now. We're going to read through the text of this first verse, okay? Now, I'm not following what's happening in the chat. Sorry. If there's something I need to know, give me a shout, okay? I'm still admitting people. Now, I'll keep this page. Yeah, you also have your text here. Yeah, and you have your Yiddish on the right. I tried to squeeze everything onto one page, but I will go here so we can read it in the rhythm of the song, bit by bit. Listen. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen. Let's go together. And steh ich unter riesige Balkonen. Next line. Es hilft ob zu mir Klavieren spiel. Klavieren. Yeah, I'll do it one more time. Es hilft ob zu mir Klavieren spiel. I find it quite tricky, this one. And let's go again. Es hilft ob zu mir Klavieren spiel. Let's do it one more time so our mouth gets used to it. Es hilft ob zu mir Klavieren spiel. Klavieren. You'll be singing and stretching it. And you'll also be singing hilcht. Tricky, right? So let's translate these two. I stand under a huge, big, vast balcony, and a loud sound of a clavier, of a piano, comes to me. Yeah. Next bit. Arum mir stehen Millionen. Go together. Arum mir stehen Millionen. Menschen, was leiden viel. That's such a sad line, okay? Menschen, was leiden viel. Okay, so around me there are millions of people full with leiden, what, sorrow, grief, pain. Yeah, pain. It's quite a dark text. I suggest we try to slowly put this to music. Steh, okay? Let's go slowly. Steh ich de riesige Balkonen. Es hilft ab zu mir Klavierenspiel. Arum stehen Millionen Menschen, was leiden viel. Right? It has a feeling already, don't you think? Let's read on. Nehmt mich on var... Right. Nehmt mich on var dem Volk der Zorn. I'll do it one more time. Nehmt mich on... stretch that. Let's go again. Nehmt mich on var dem Volk dem Zorn. One more time. Nehmt mich on var dem Volk dem Zorn. Let's go together again. Nehmt mich on var dem Volk dem der Zorn. Next bit. Von die alle was leiden. Oh God. Von die alle was. Alle was. The alle should be fast. Von die alle was leiden od odo. I hope you can follow this. Let's do again. Von die alle was leiden od odo. Okay, and again this line. Von die alle was leiden od odo. Okay, let's translate that. So what I understand, and Yiddish speakers, please, I'm sure you will be correcting and helping me in the chat. I will take the pain of all these people, right? Around me stands millions of human beings filled with pain. I'm seized by the fury of the people. I don't know. Right. Zorn. I'm sure somebody will write something in the chat now. Zorn. Not Zorz, but Zorn. The dusk woman is singing to me in the Magdalene under the piano. A child sitting under the piano in the bloom of the... Michael, what are you writing? Right, okay, no. Okay, I'll go back. I was hoping to get a quick tip on Zorn. I thought it was the same root as Taurus.
Anger, rage, fury.
Fury, it is fury, right, okay, thank you. So from all the sides, alle Zeiten Otodor, all the sides around me. Von alle Weiten, that's the next bit. Von alle Weiten. Von alle Seiten. Let's go together, von alle, see that? The last, oh sorry, I can't show it. Von alle, yeah? And go. Von alle Weiten, von alle Seiten, hört man spielen dem Tango, hört man spielen dem Tango. Woof, tricky. I'll do the von alle Weiten one more time. Help me, let's go. And von alle Weiten, von alle Seiten, hört man spielen dem Tango. I think I succeeded. It was easy for Arkady Gendler, that old man, because he was a native Yiddish speaker and he squashed things here and there. He squashed syllables into notes and stretched them as he wanted. And this is this is transcribed from his singing, and there is a YouTube link somewhere to his singing. So we will go from the second half of the verse. Arum stehen Millionen? Ja, hier, nehmt mich on var dem Volk der Zorn, okay? Here, let's go slowly. Nehmt mich on var dem Volk der Zorn. Von die alle was leiden, Otodor. Von alle Weiten. Von alle Seiten hört man spielen dem tango. So a tango is heard from all the sides, from everywhere. It's an interesting text. Let's go from the beginning, sing the whole verse. Yeah, I hope you can read this. 1, 2, let's go. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen. Sorry, I was looking somewhere else. From the beginning again. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen. Es hilft ab zu mir Klavierenspiel. Wir stehen Millionen Menschen, was leiden viel. Nehmt mich an vor dem Volk, dem der Zorn. Von die alle, was leiden, orthodox. Von alle Weiten, von alle Seiten, hört man spielen dem tango. Shik Mir, Shtral. And then we go into chorus and you just can't stop singing it. Right, let me just see your faces. How are you coping? I'm not coping very well. It's quite tricky for me, this text. Okay. Right, let's go again. Yeah? Wow, 52 people. Fantastic. Welcome, welcome. I suggest let's sing through chorus. Yeah, let's sing through chorus. You know that link I posted on my Facebook, a link to an interview, a little short fragment from an interview of the oral history project from the Yiddish Book Center in Massachusetts. The man talks about this song and he sings it and he starts with chorus. And I wonder if that was the correct way to sing it or whether he just remembers it like this. And it's slightly different to what we hear here, only to prove that folklore is, is open to interpretation. Now, we're going to do the same as we did with the main verse. We're going to just sing the tune one time through without any text, okay? So we're looking at the top line here, da 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 da, Shik Mir Shtral, okay? No text for now. Let's go. La 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 la. Let's just do that. Should be easy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. So I'm going to sing that high line. Ta ta ta. It goes quite high. You may be able to do this. Ta ta da 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 da. And then go up again, okay? As a variant for those with lower voices. Da da. The main melody goes up. So listen. Ta da 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 da. And then ta da 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 ta da 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 ta da 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 da. Pretty easy, right? It kind of sings itself. Let's bring chorus together all the way from Shik Mir Stral, no text. So that's the top three notes in your right corner, I think. Yeah, top line, last three notes on the top line. Let's go. La 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 la. Okay, let's look at text. Shik Mir, Shtral, send me a ray. Wo soll beleuchten meine Wegen? Okay, this line, Shik Mir, Shtral, and further, let's go. Shik Mir, Shtral, 2, 3, slowly. Wo soll beleuchten meine Wegen? That will make my path lighter. That will light up, kind of light, yeah? Send me light to my road, to my path. Zertreib dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Zertreib again. Zertreib dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Zertreib, now zertreib, let me see, I've forgotten what that means. Drive away the wind that howls. Bushevet actually is a Russian word, bushevat, kind of to go crazy around you. The wind goes into your face, the wind that blows into your face. Yeah, so give me a ray of sunshine to my path, and stop the winds blowing. And now we have last line. Lots of text squashed into lots of rhythmic ta-dan, ta-dan. So let's go slowly from Shik Mir, Di, Zun, Zizol. See that, right? The middle of your second line from the bottom. Let's go slowly. Yes. Shik Mir, Di, Zun, Zizol, Oistri, Kenen, Ditreren. One more time and go. Shik Mir, Di, Zun, Zizol, Oistri, Kenen, Ditreren. Send me some sunshine that will dry out my tears. And then we have the last bit. Vus joren viel, sie fließen still, und kennen nicht aufhören. And again that last line and one. Vus joren viel, sie fließen still, one, und kennen nicht aufhören. I hope we can do this whole thing together, so that have sent me the sun to dry my tears that have flown silently for years and cannot stop. Aufhören, I thought it was, could not kind of burn out. No? Aufhören? Paul, I see you shaking your head.
Stop. Like
Huh?
it says, stop, like it says, cease.
Stop. Yeah, okay, good. I suggest we bring it together somehow. So, chorus first, Shik Mir, Shtral, and then we will just sing and sing and sing and get into the song. Shik Mir, Shtral, top of your page, last three notes in the top line. Shik Mir, Shtral, wo soll beleuchten meine Wegen, zertreib dem Wind, Wasser Busche wird ankegen, schicke mir die Sonne, wo soll es trinken die Tränen, wo's Jahren viel, sie fließen still und kennen nicht aufhören. Ready? Let's go. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen, es jucht ab zu mir Klavierenspiel. Mir stehen Millionen Menschen, was leiden viel. Nehmt mich auf vor dem Volk der Zorn, von die alle, was leiden, authour, von alle mir a Shtral. Was soll bei leichten meine Wegen zertreibt dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Schick mir dies und sie soll es drücken, die Tränen, was Jahren viel, sie fließen still und können nicht werden. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen, es hilft ab zu mir Klavierenspiel. Warum wir stehen Millionen Menschen, was leiden viel, nimmt nicht an vor dem Volk der Zorn, von sie alle, was leiden, orthodox, von alle Weiten, von alle Seiten, hört man spielen dem Tango. Shik Mir a Shtral, was soll beleuchten meine Wegen, zertreibe dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Shik mir dies und sie soll es drücken, die Tränen, was Jahren viel, sie fließen still und können nicht aufhören. Schick mir a Shtral, was wird beleuchten meine Wegen, zertreibt dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Schick mir dies und sie soll es drücken, die Tränen, was Jahren will, sie fließen still und können nicht aufhören. La 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 la. Shik mir a Shtral, was soll beleuchten meine Wegen, zertreibt dem Wind, was Busche wird ankegen. Schick mir dies und sie soll es drücken, die Tränen, was Jahren viel, sie fließen still und können nicht aufhören. Let's stop. We will sing it one more time. Let me see what's happening with you there in the group. How do you feel? This song is new to me, but it does have something, doesn't it? It's deep. Now, if you look at the rest of the text, it's quite dark, bitter, sad, poignant, all these strong and not very light, adjectives I can use. So I hope that when we sing songs like this, and I just cannot bring you happy songs all the time, but I see them as cathartic, I see them as something we can connect to, and it's great to explore this material as well, isn't it? This song is not very known, not sung very often, and I think it really deserves to be heard. Yeah, now 53 people. If I can ask you to please turn up on time, I might ask somebody to help me admitting people, because otherwise I'm just kind of admitting and playing at the same time and turning pages. So that would be great. Copy, things.
I'm sorry, Polina, I was late.
Not just lots of people.
I had problems accessing.
Yeah, it's great to have you even for the last 5 minutes. Please don't be put off by this. Turn up for the last 5 minutes. That's great. And you don't have to pay. If you can pay, thank you very much. If you're doing this, I saw some of you already paid me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, I'm not going to read your chat. I will read it later. And if you're new, you should know that all the videos go on YouTube, and you can listen and do this again later if you want to catch something from the tune and blah blah blah. And it's also staying on my website on the past Sing With Me sessions project. So the next time we will be singing a folk song, an easier, a simpler folk song. I'm thinking between two. Either it'll be about love or it'll be about Joschka Forteweg, which some of you know, a guy going to the army. With a little twist, we can look into the history of that song. So there are options, but it'll be a folk song in the Jewish mode. Okay. I will save your chat, and if you want to save it, you can save it now. We're going back to singing the whole tune all the way through. First verse, chorus, and then maybe chorus again. Steh ich unter riesige Balkonen. Es hielt auf zu mir Klavierenspiel. Arum wir stehen Millionen Menschen, was leiden viel. Nimmt mich an vor dem Volk der Zorn. Von die alle, was leiden ot ado. Von alle Weiten, von alle Seiten, hört man spielen den tango. Shik Mir a Shtral, was soll beleuchten meine Wegen, zertreibt dem Wind, Bessarabia wird entgegen. Shik Mir, sie soll euch trocknen, die Tränen von Jahren viel. Sie fließen still und können nicht aufhören. Beautiful melody, don't you think? You can unmute yourselves, say goodbye to each other. I hope you enjoyed this session. You're always welcome to join. The Russian sessions will be on Thursdays. Join these two. If you wish, come when you can. Always wonderful to see you all here on the screen. Hopefully.
Thank you, Polina.
Wonderful.
Thank you
Wonderful.
very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Спасибо, Полина, дорогая,
Спасибо.
спасибо. Спасибо.
And see you soon. Stay well. Stay well.
Thank you.